Wouldn't it be nice if someone else picked up the bill while your vehicle needed repairs? With an EasyCare vehicle service contract, many of your repair bills are covered. In fact, EasyCare has paid over $3.5 billion in claims and is the only VSC designated as a MOTORTREND recommended Best Buy. So what is a vehicle service contract? It's protection from parts and labor costs associated with vehicle repairs. It even covers some repairs that the manufacturer's warranty doesn't. Today's vehicles have a lot of sophisticated components and high-tech electrical systems and can cost thousands of dollars per repair. That's a hit we'd rather not see you take. Over 11 million customers have trusted EasyCare since 1984. We offer 4 levels of coverage to suit your vehicle needs, your driving habits, and your budget. Our most popular level covers thousands of mechanical and electrical parts and components, and covers your tires and wheels if they're damaged by road hazards such as glass, metal, potholes, rocks, nails, tree limbs, and more. And it doesn't stop there. We go the extra mile with additional convenience benefits such as 24/7 emergency roadside assistance, rental car, towing, and trip interruption reimbursement, which you can use if your vehicle is in the shop for a covered repair. All of this and more, so you can focus on what matters most to you. Embrace the journey. We'll take care of the rest.